Hey guys, how are you doing?
Good!
Hey, I have a brilliant idea today. How about we play a game?
Yay!
Okay, so let me explain how this game works, okay? You see that little disk there?
Yeah.
That's called an Euler's Disk. Yeah, it's named after a brilliant Swiss mathematician. His name was Leonhard Euler. Okay? This is an awesome toy, okay? You'll learn more about it very soon. So here's how the game is going to work. Right, Abhi?
Yeah.
So we have like 20 different objects here, right?
More than 20 objects.
Yeah, and then we have one disk here. I'll come over and spin the disk there. Okay, I'm going to spin the Euler's disk. And you guys can spin any of these little objects. Let's see which object spins the longest. Is it Euler's disk?
It's Euler's Disk, of course.
You don't know that yet. We'll try that out, okay? And then we'll talk about the science behind it. Good? Okay, let's get started, okay? 1 second. Let me come here and let me spin this. Yeah. Now you guys can start spinning each of those objects. Go for it, Atal. Go for it, Atal. Here on the plank. Oh, let's see. Oh my God, Manya may be winning. Are you winning, Manya?
I don't know.
Oh, this
Euler! This is not really Euler!
Let's see. Okay, next, Abhi, your turn. No, use one of the other objects. No, use other objects. Okay, do it. Come on. What about the other objects? You guys have so many. Try it out. Okay, try it out, guys. Yeah, see what happens with that, Athar. See what happens. Come on, spin. Spin. Okay, try, spin like this. Okay, what about this coin? Do you think that will last? What about this? No. Come on, spin. Oh my God, this is going on and on. How is it possible, guys? How is it possible? Does it have a battery in it? Does it have a battery in it? Oh, what about this? What about this one? Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, so do you know what really happened? When I put this disk upright, the center of gravity moved up and it actually has stored energy in it. And when spinning, that energy is translated into the spinning. Okay, and if there is no friction, this can spin for a long time.
More than 4 minutes?
3 minutes. But rest of the objects couldn't do that. You know why? There was a lot of rolling friction on this object.
Yeah.
So that's what is going on here. Do you think this was cool?
Yes.
Yeah. So, we can actually let it spin and watch this for 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Did you guys like it?
Yes!
Thank you.